Hello again and welcome to another video. In this one we're gonna be doing practice 3 because after the lesson you had a few questions about this one, so I have decided to make this video. Okay, so we're gonna do the last 4 ones from this practice, so the 9th, the number 10, 11 and 12, and in this video we are just gonna be doing the number 9. Okay, and then I will make more videos to solve the other equations because I don't want to have a really long video. Cool, so we're gonna start now with this equation. So as you know, it's like an equation because we have this left side equals to the other one, and the aim of the equation is finding the value of x to make this work and having the same value of on both sides. Cool, and it's a first degree equation because the x is always to the power of 1. Okay, perfect. So now we are going to start with the method. As you can see here, we don't have any brackets, which is good news, and the only thing that we have is denominators, so we are going to remove them using maths, and after that we will be able to use the balance method. Perfect. So if you can see, we have 3, 2 and 4, so the common denominator between all of them is going to be 12. Okay, and remember that this one is like we just have the number, but we need to do the denominator for this one as well. Okay, so we need to do this for all the terms we have to be able to remove them later. Okay, cool. So in this one we have 12. That means that we have multiplied 3 times 4, so we need to multiply everything times by 4. Perfect. And now the next one, 2 times 6 is 12, so everything times 6. Perfect. And then the next one, 3 times 4 is 12, so everything times 3. And then the last one, this is 1, so 12 times 1, so 12. Perfect. So now, as you know, if we have the same denominator, so we can do this. Okay, but before doing the next step, I'm gonna use this pen because you need to remember that this minus is for both of them, and doing this we can avoid the mistake. Okay, so now we can copy everything down, and that's why here you have plus 6x because minus and minus is plus. Okay, and then this one is minus because minus times plus is minus. Cool, and then the rest of them. Perfect. And now, as you know, we have an equation, we don't have denominators, we don't have brackets, so we can just do the balance method. I'm gonna be using like colors again for this one, but in the rest of them, I mean, you don't really need to use the colors once you are confident. Okay, so x's, okay, and then numbers. And as I said, once you are confident with this, you don't really need to do this. Okay, perfect. So now the x is on this side and the numbers on the other one. To be honest, you can have the x's here and the numbers there. You will get the same answer. Okay, so it's up to you. Decide which one is gonna be the best one. Sometimes, if the biggest number with x is on this side, so we prefer like having the x's here and the numbers on the other side, but it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna have them here because I've been doing that all the time, but it's just to let you know that it doesn't matter what you do. The important thing is like having all the x's together on one side and all the numbers together on the other one. Okay, perfect. So we are gonna move everything to the left in terms of like x's. Perfect. So we have done this one, and then numbers. Perfect. So now we have the x's on this side, the numbers on this side, and now we can collect like terms. So 10 minus 15 is minus 5x equals, this is 80, this is 120, so 80 minus 120 is minus 40. And now the last step is the division. Okay, so remember that the main operation here is multiplication because it's 5 times x. So to move this one to the other side, we need to divide, but we need to keep the sign, okay? Because the opposite operation we are doing is division, okay? So this sign is always going to be the same that we have here, okay? So now we can do this operation 40 divided by 5 equals to 8, and minus divided by minus is plus. So this is the final answer, and we have this first equation from practice 3 done. Cool. So now I'm gonna make the rest of the videos, and you can watch the rest of the equation that we are gonna be solving for this practice 3. I hope you like it, and I hope this makes sense. Thank you.